Hey guys, my name is Liam, this is Josh, and this is a 1953 CJ-3B that he built with help from your father, right?
Yep.
This is at the Autorama in Detroit. Hot rods everywhere, and where are we? Standing in front of a CJ-3B.
My name's Josh Gluba, and I restored a 53 Phillies CJ-3B.
Awesome. All right, well, talk to us a little bit about your build. It looks like it's full restoration. Did you do anything else, or is it purely how it should be?
This is exactly how it would have rolled off the line. It's a full restoration.
Yep.
Ground up. Everything is taken apart on the surface, and a lot of time restoring.
That's fantastic. Did you have any help restoring it? Do it by yourself?
My father helped me restore it.
That's a good experience.
Yep.
All right, well, let's take a look at what it used to look like and tell us where you got it.
It actually came from Deteroit, Michigan, out of a hunting camp further up north that you sit for 20 years when I picked it up. Got it home and did the full restoration.
That's fantastic.
Nothing better than perfect condition.
You're kidding me. So you did not buy this badge?
Nope.
This came with the Jeep?
Fully clean. This is how it came off that dash.
Oh my gosh. Did you, well, so you undid the rivets at least?
Yes, there's new ribbons.
And then painted under and put the exact same one on after cleaning?
That's exactly how it came off.
That is unbelievable. And you were telling me that's the same with the gauges and everything?
Everything is original.
That's fantastic.
What helped it is when we got it, there was a cover on it, and the cover had been on it for probably the majority of its life. So it kept all the weather off of it.
Wow. Did you have to do any rust repair?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's a Jeep.
Yep. Well, you did a beautiful job. Josh, thank you so much for showing us this Jeep, and I'm sure that every moment you put into it is worth it, right?
Absolutely.
Put a smile on your face. It definitely put a smile on my face. Thank you so much.
Thank you.